Keep the talking.
Anyway, keep the topic. We are doing the Bryce dance, and this is how you start the dance. So, what you're going to be doing is you're just going to be going crazy. So, you got to go cross, cross, crisscross, freak out. Okay, so here's my dance.
Then you want to know the James dance? Go check out Game Freak 991 to 123's channel. He has a very hilarious dance on there, just like this. I'm actually the producer of the channel, and I'm recording for him right now.
That's tiring.
And why don't you record me doing the rest? Whew. Do the rest of the Bryce dance.
Okay, this just got weird.